You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -9. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 4/9x from both sides. Group like terms. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 9/-1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -9.